Hello friends, let's crochet together a little cucumber. The pattern is very simple, so just be attentive. We need cotton yarn. I have Gazelle baby cotton and the size of my hook is 1.6. First of all, we make a magic ring and leave the long end of the thread. And now we make 6 single crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull the thread and the end has to be in the front side of the detail. In the first stitch we make a slip stitch and a chain. In the second round we make 6 increases. 2 single crochets in one stitch. The second increase, the third, the fourth, and go on till the end of the round. And the last one. A slip stitch in the first stitch and a chain. In the third round we make 3 increases. We make increase in the first stitch and then we make 3 single crochets, then we make increase, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch and a chain. Now let's make this part. We make the first loop and then make a chain. 1, 2, 3 chains, and then we make slip stitches. 1, 2, a chain, fix the thread and hide the end inside, and fix it at the back side. And now we continue to crochet and we make 7 rounds without changes for 15 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, 15, a slip stitch a chain, and now we've crocheted 10 rounds. In the 11th round we start to make decreases. 1 single crochet, a decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, a single crochet, decrease. So we make 3 decreases, 1, 2, 3, and in the rest stitches we make single crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make without changes 12 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. A slip stitch and a chain. And now it's time to add fiber fill. In the next round we make 3 decreases in the same way. 1 single crochet, a decrease, 1 single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, and now single crochets, 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 9 single crochets without changes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a slip stitch, a chain, and add fiber fill again. And let's make the last round. We make decrease, 1 single crochet and repeat, decrease, a single crochet, decrease, a single crochet, a slip stitch, a chain, leave the long end on the thread and cut it. Take a needle and close the hole for the front sides of the loops of the last round. And now let's make several stitches like this. In different places. Fix the thread and hide it inside the toy. Make the shape of cucumber. And now let's make a little flower. Take a yellow thread fix it and make several chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a slip stitch like this. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch in the middle, a chain, cut the thread, fix it and hide the ends inside the toy. And we've made such a cute cucumber. There are many patterns of fruits and vegetables on my channel. I will write the link in the description for this video. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.